Hey, what's up, everybody? Antonio here with Car Smart Automotive. We have a 2008 back from Body and Paint that we are now about to start reassembling. So, yeah, '08 with 0807, 108,000 miles, 1,200 on the idle, runs fantastic. Okay, we're gonna reinstall the push bar. We're waiting on the honeycomb grill to arrive. We're gonna replace those front headlights because those are really bad. Obviously, we'll install the corner lights. We'll get to the rims as well. We already installed the center console. We already installed that. We got to just put some face plates on that. It's a pretty cool setup, okay, that we're doing on this one. We also installed the cage, right? We installed the cage already, and we just got to secure a few more things. We cleaned up a few things on the inside here. I think that's chalk or so, but that all will go away. But yeah. If you're interested in this vehicle or knowing more about this vehicle, give me a call. I will personally take your phone call, 909-457-5500. Give you all the information regarding the vehicle. Like that, if you're really interested in it, we could reserve it for you, and obviously it'll be yours. Okay, if you need to get the vehicle shipped to a different state, we also work with logistics companies that will help you out on the shipping at a very affordable rate. Okay. So yeah, guys, so yeah, '08 Crown Vic P71, okay, and we'll have this car ready in the next week or so, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. Consider subscribing and hit that thumbs up, okay? And cool. Have a blessed rest of the day, guys. Peace.